select the replay button and we'll be able to see how our facing operation looks. We can rotate this to get a better view and click the rewind button and then play. And notice that it's pretty quick, but it does show you the tool path that it will take on the stock part. Now here we have some different options. You can go ahead and hit pause and play around with these options. This is a plane by plane replay, a feed rate by feed rate replay. Here's a point by point replay. And so you have different choices to look at it. I'm going to use the video, and this brings up, it'll show you the stock part and what is being taken off or faced. So pretty nifty tool. We'll replay that. So very handy in determining whether your facing operation is correct. Now here we're going to hide the stock part. We don't need to see it anymore because right now we're going to set up a spot drilling for 4 holes. So I select the spot drilling toolbar, and now I got to select the manufacturing program.1. I got to select that from the specification tree, and now I get the spot drilling.1 window. And here I have some sensitive icons that I can display. And what I need to do is, it says select an existing pattern, feature, point, or circle. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select all 4 circles. And I just click out of the area and it brings up the spot drilling.1 window. We have a diameter and a depth and some other areas, but notice that we have a green red sensitive area that's not red anymore. It's green. It's a green sensitive area now. So I want to change my depth to be 0.2 inches. And I want the jump distance to be 0.1 inch. And the diameter I want to be 0.38 inches. Here I'm just going to select the top surface of the housing 1 product. I got to do that again, so I'm selecting the top surface there. It's a sensitive icon, and all I need to do is select the top part surface, select OK. Now it's green, and what I want to do is go to the strategy tab, and I want the approach clearance to be 0.3 inches, and I want to go by tip for the depth mode, plunge mode none, and dwell mode none. And notice the graphical area. Now I'll go to my tool setup, and I want the nominal diameter to be 0.375 inches. The overall length is a default. I want it to be 3.937 inches. The length 1.969 inches, and the body diameter I want to be 0.375 inches. And the cutting angle I want to be 120 degrees. I'll accept that, and we can go to our feed speed. And I'll just go with an approach of 15 inches per minute, plunge 200, or actually I want 20 inches per minute. The machining, let's go with 15 inches per minute. I'll just do a spindle output, and I want 2,000 turns per minute. Now we go to the macros tab. We'll set up our approach and retract. So I'll select approach, and then I'm going to select, and I'm going to change the feed rate to rapid. I'm going to hit retract, and the feed rate to rapid, and then now I can I've got a yellow indicator there, but let's hit the replay button and notice what it's doing. We'll hit rewind and play, and it plays pretty fast. So let's go to the video icon and play it, and notice we got our spot drills, 4 of them. Hit OK, and we're pretty much done with our spot drills.